Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know who this already, this is the Skilla. You see me? Now, I have a very short video clip for show now of a war that take place in a tenement yard. You see me? And I have to ask one question, that if there is a difference between tenement yard and family yard. You see? Now here I'm going to show you a video that give you an example of this whole Jamaican term, I mean tenement yard. You see me I say, but before I show you the video, right, I want to make sure that I explain to you that the following video is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
You see it? All the police drop.
Viewers and subscribers, this right here is not a laughing matter still. You know. This is something will happen like lots of time. More often than what people think. You see me? You see it? Now, for those who are not Jamaican born, you see me, because me if you understand, say the Dancehall Skilla channel is out there and a lot of people watch it that is not even related to Jamaica. You see me? And some might not understand what tenement yard mean. I'm have to really explain it, because trust me, I have had experience of tenement yard. You see me? This is the definition. There's one definition, or one part of the definition that makes sense throughout the whole of the different explaining our definition for tenement yard. One thing for sure about tenement yard, that it is consistent of poor people. You see me? People that are considered to be poor. That is one explanation of tenement yard that really goes throughout all the definition. Let me see. You know, throughout any form of urban dictionary, right? But the big question now, when me really are putting in my head all the while, and if I ask, because every time I hear about tenement yard, I always see it different from family yard. You see me? Me just not get it. So me have to ask the question, because we are like a team, you say no. Is there a difference between tenement yard and family yard? Right? Some of the explanation in some urban dictionaries say tenement yard is consistent of poor people with or without family, and some of them say it is considered as people that are tenants but of low housing development rent or whatsoever. So me I say, so you see the thing what me I talk about. So that's the question. So me I say, anyways, you don't know, so I always try to keep on up to date and posted with what hot on social media right about now. You see it? And you know, I have to ask questions just as how you would ask me questions. It's like we are a team right here. So you see me? I am not Mr. Know-It-All. You see me? I said to you. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments and let me know what you think. And always read the comments for updates. You see me? Because like I always say, people often left information in the comment section that is very important, you see me, and it's very informative enough for the time. Alright, my name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna pick up on yourself.